After remaining defunct for years and mostly under bad conditions due to poor maintenance, Manipur government today recommissioned the interstate bus terminal, that is Isbt, with Governor A.K. Bhalla flagging off buses to 12 different destinations from Imphal today. In the program that was held at Isbt, located at Kumalampak, Governor Bhalla flagged off buses for Imphal to None, Imphal to Tamenglong, Imphal to Ukhrul, Imphal to Kamjong, Imphal to Chandal, Imphal to Suknu, Imphal to Yangon-Pokpi, Imphal to Kokching, Imphal to Wabagai, Imphal to Leishangthem, Imphal to Yaripok and Imphal to Moirang routes. Governor Bhalla also unveiled the Transport Office for Judibam, None, Kokching and Farjol districts through virtual mode. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Bhalla expressed happiness on recommissioning of Isbt and assured to further develop as a world-class transport hub, while expressing confidence that the Isbt will help in boosting connectivity between districts and other neighboring states. Governor Bhalla also lauded officials, government departments who were responsible in reviving the Isbt for public.
Reactivation of Isbt symbolizes our collective resolve to ensure that public infrastructure serves the rightful purpose, efficiently, responsibility and for the welfare of people. It's just like not a transport terminal, it's an essential link that binds our state to the wider national network. By restoring its full functionality, we are strengthening connectivity within the districts, region, neighboring states and rest of India. Surface transport is a major critical pillar of our economic and social development, as mentioned by Mr. Vajpayee. Road and transport infrastructure enable mobility, facilitate trade, support livelihoods, and provides access to essential services. A well-organized Isbt will contribute to a safer travel, better regulation, and a more reliable system for commuters. I appeal to people of Manipur to treat the Isbt as their own, keep it neat and clean. Let's maintain its cleanliness together, respect its facilities, follow rules, and protect it from misuse. Public assets are built with public funds, and these are public places. 24/7, we can't put the police there to check and all. So we have to be together in understanding it's an asset for all of us.